Have you been waiting for that one home that feels like an ultra-private retreat, but still comes with a true neighborhood lifestyle? And that place is somehow stylish enough for her, and yet still rugged enough for him and his love for the outdoors? Then get excited, folks, because River Plantation is about to spoil you. Welcome to River Plantation in Crawfordville. Known for great neighbors, a community feel, and one of the best perks around, private access to the Wakulla River. Inside, you've got 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, plus an additional loft bonus space, perfect as a 4th bedroom, home office, workout room, game room, you name it. And one of my favorite parts of this house, the soaring ceilings and 10 windows stacked between the 1st and 2nd floors. This room is absolutely drenched in natural light. Step outside and it gets even better. You've got just over an acre of private land, and your backyard backs up to an additional 20 untouched acres, making your outdoor space feel exponentially bigger. And there's room for everything. I mean, room for the kids to run, space to host, and this huge oak tree with this awesome swing that's guaranteed to create some great core memories. And for the weekend warriors, this one's a win. You've got covered parking for your boats, RVs, 4-wheelers, all the toys. Whatever your life comes with, you've got space for it. River Plantation is one of those neighborhoods that basically sells itself. I mean, you've got the community pool, basketball and tennis courts, the clubhouse, and the big one, the private dock and boat ramp leading right into the Wakulla River. So if you want style, space, privacy, and the river life all wrapped up into one amazing neighborhood, then 359 River Plantation Road needs to be your next move. Set up your showing today.